Pakistan strongly condemns the incident of child sexual abuse in the strongest possible terms. Perpetrators of such heinous crimes must be investigated, prosecuted and punished to the fullest extent of the law, irrespective of race, ethnicity or religion. The matter in question is entirely an internal matter of the United Kingdom. The individual concerned is a British national who spent his entire adult life in the UK and was duly convicted by a British court for reprehensible offences committed on British soil. Any decision regarding his release, supervision or future legal status fall exclusively within the jurisdiction of the competent British authorities and must be dealt with in accordance with the laws of the United Kingdom. Regardless of where he was born, the onus lies on where he grew up, was raised, groomed and unfortunately spoiled. His heinous crimes demand serious introspection rather than a quest to search for extraneous causes. Let me add that the government of Pakistan has no connection whatsoever with this matter. We cannot be associated with any decisions relating to the individual's release or subsequent treatment under the British law.